Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use JotForm's Facebook Messenger button widget. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to add a direct messaging option to your forms, allowing your audience to reach out to you instantly via Facebook Messenger. It's a simple yet effective way to boost engagement and provide quick customer support right from your form. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to JotForm.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so it's the starting point for any customization you want to make. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all the forms you've created. Browse through and select the form you want to edit. This could be a contact form, a survey, or any other type of form where you'd like to add the messenger button. After selecting your form, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor, which is your workspace for making all kinds of modifications and additions to your form. Now that you're in the form editor, look for the Add Element option. This is typically located on the left side of the screen and gives you access to all the different components you can add to your form. Click on Add Element, and from the menu that appears, navigate to the Widgets section. Widgets are special add-ons that extend the functionality of your forms beyond basic fields. In the Widgets section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Messenger button into this search bar. This will filter the available widgets and display the Facebook Messenger button widget. Once you see it, click on it to add it to your form. The widget will appear on your form canvas, and you can position it wherever you think it makes the most sense for your users to see it. After adding the widget to your form, click on the Messenger button widget itself. This action will open the widget settings panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll configure how the button looks and functions. The most important field here is the Messenger URL field. You'll need to paste your Facebook Messenger URL into this field. This is the link that directs users to your specific Messenger conversation when they click the button. Next, you can customize the button to match your form's design and branding. Look for the button text field and enter the text you want to appear on the button, such as Message Us or Chat Now. Below that, you'll find options for button style, where you can adjust the color, size, and shape of the button. There's also an alignment option that lets you position the button to the left, center, or right of your form. Take a moment to adjust these settings until the button looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Update button to save your changes. Your form now includes a functional Facebook Messenger button that visitors can use to contact you directly. You've successfully added a messenger button to your JotForm, making it easier for your audience to reach out and engage with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.